All right, let's get a live look outside, and here's the view from the summit at Snoqualmie, and check out the slopes.
Nice.
Snoqualmie opened this morning for skiers and snowboarders, George. We do know that right now only one lift is operating at Summit West, but it is always a key moment when there's enough snow for that to happen.
Molly, we all have to start somewhere.
Exactly.
If it's just one lift, so be it. I wish I were there. That looked wonderful. Another snowy scene. This is from Lisa Ketchum taking a look at the mountains with some of the snowfall yesterday. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, here's the deal. It's quiet today, but tomorrow not the case. I'm tracking a Christmas Eve storm. So whatever errands you need to run, do them today, because tomorrow, even tonight, the mountain snow will build back and we'll likely start seeing past travel concerns tonight through tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's looking rainy and windy with the wettest part of the day tomorrow morning and early afternoon, with the winds building through the morning and peaking in the afternoon. Then I think we get a break in the morning on Christmas, although an isolated shower may still fall. I do think the wetter part of the day will be toward the end of the day on Christmas into the evening. A few afternoon showers on Friday, then we'll dry out into the weekend. So 1, 2, 3 each of the next 3 days, a few passing showers. Westport looks pretty stormy here. We do have alerts up or advisories up for the high waves and rough surf, including at Puget Sound, which is under a gale watch for tomorrow. As the winds pick up, it'll get wavy for the ferries. 41 and mostly dry conditions around Seattle today, 40 in Bellingham, still in the 30s in Bremerton, and Ellensburg just a few degrees away from freezing. Mount Rainier Paradise, a lot of people having fun there. It looks like the parking lot has been plowed off after 8 fresh inches of snow in the last 24 hours. Between the lowland rains, each will deliver a round of mountain snow the next 3. So through the next 3 days, a half foot of snow possible. The summit at Alpental, maybe a foot around Stevens Pass, and Mount Baker closer to 16 inches of new mountain snow coming in the next 3 days. Now here's the issue, the high wind watch, which is in effect for tomorrow. I think the winds will peak late morning into the afternoon with that storm system developing to the south, and all of those alerts up for California now under the gun of the atmospheric river. So for today, looking pretty cloudy. I was hoping for a few more breaks of sun. Unfortunately, the clouds won and temperatures will stay in the 40s. Again, the better chance for rain will be along the coast here. This evening looks calm, but by the time you wake up, it'll start to get gusty in spots and the rain will already start falling. That's that first push of rain. You see it moves in from the south. This precedes the wind, but the mountain snow is already falling. So late tonight, tomorrow morning, I'd expect issues at Snoqualmie Pass and White Pass. Tomorrow, during the day and early afternoon, that's the best chance of rain, and the winds will follow that most of the afternoon. But then tomorrow night, everything really quiets down. So Christmas morning, sure, there may be a stray shower or some isolated mountain snow, but that'll be the quieter part of the day. Late day into Christmas evening, another batch of showers and more mountain snow. We do it again on Friday, again, mainly the second part of the day, lowland rain, mountain snow, and then it looks like we'll kind of calm down for the weekend. So there it is. The next 3 days, each has a chance of rain, but then we clear out a little bit for the weekend. Notice those cold mornings. So each morning, I want you to be ready for slick spots on the road. Black ice would be possible. Very cold air, but maybe some hints of sun. Coming up, I do want to talk more a little bit about our snow levels and the time frames where I anticipate more issues going over the passes, including Snoqualmie Pass over the next 3 days, okay?
Okay, George, sounds good. Thanks.